Where is your hometown? Samson?
My hometown is situated, I think, around 70 miles outside of the British capital, London. It's quite convenient because you can get into central London by train in just 30 to 35 minutes, and it's all right. It's not too bad.
Mehnaz?
Well, I live in Tehran, which is the capital city of my country. It's really crowded and it's full of air and noise pollution, but I love it here, although the hectic pace of life makes me tired sometimes.
Thank you very much. Good. Let's go with the second question. Do you like your hometown? Mehnaz?
Oh, well, absolutely. I love my hometown, but I sometimes really want to go to the countryside or see a new scenery, because sometimes, as I said, the pollution, the crowded parts, everything just makes me tired, but it's really great and functional here.
Thank you. Samson?
To be honest with you, I used to like my hometown a lot more, probably because it's overpopulated now and there's lots of traffic and it's become more of a fast life, sort of city life. I'm not too much interested in that kind of lifestyle. I prefer to go into something a little bit more mellow.
Thank you very much. Now the third question. Do you often visit your hometown? Samson?
I have to say that I haven't visited my hometown in quite a while because I've been living abroad for several years and I do miss my family, but I'm always looking forward to my next trip on returning home.
Perfect. Mehnaz?
Well, since I live in my hometown right now, I visit it every day, but at least I try to find some new places, like places to walk, places to hang out with my friends, which can be fun, but it's just the same.
Okay, thank you very much. And the last question, what is your hometown like? Samson?
That's an interesting question. What is my hometown all about? Well, it's very multicultural. It used to be not so multicultural. It used to be a lot more empty. But I guess it's sort of the kind of place where you can study a lot and you can progress as long as you're in your youth. But I wouldn't recommend staying there while you're getting older.
Thank you so much. Mehnaz?
Well, my city and my hometown, as I said, it's the capital city, and it's the center of many cultural events here. It's the first stop for many tourists visiting my country too. It's so crowded, it's got many beautiful rising buildings, parks, and great shopping malls.
Okay, thank you very much. Great job.
At least we're done. That's enough.
Yes.
Ooh, what a game. I feel warmed up. How about you? So, this is how you can answer such questions. IELTS speaking isn't hard. You just need to familiarize yourself with the topics which are more likely to be on the test day. And if you face an unfamiliar one, no need to worry. You can apply some techniques to manage the question and make yourself proud and prepared. Guess what? In our speaking courses and mock tests of speaking, we will teach you all these strategies and give you feedback on what you do and show you the way to improve it very easily. To enroll in them, you can visit our website. That's www.rossielts.com. In the next video, we will work on another common topic in part 1, and that is family. Don't miss the next video, guys. I'm Samson Sees you in the next game.